Hey everyone, welcome to Kitchen Journeys with Lori. Today we're going to do a butternut squash, quinoa, and chicken salad. This is a riff on a salad that Katie Lee did on the kitchen. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a cut up butternut squash and a half a red onion. We're going to put oil on it and salt and pepper, and I'm going to stir it up, and then I'm going to put it in this lovely little baking pan right here and put it in the oven on 375 for about 40 minutes. Okay, so I have put the oil, put about 2 tablespoons of oil and salt and pepper on the butternut squash and the onion, and I've stirred it up and I throw it on the pan. And now I'm going to use my pressure cooker to do the quinoa. And I've got a cup of quinoa in there, and I'm going to use bouillon, and I'm going to use 1 cup of bouillon and 1 cup of water, and I got a teaspoon of salt in there too. So I'm going to put my other cup in, and then I'm going to put my pressure cooker on for 3 minutes, and then I'm going to let it set for 10 minutes, and then I'll let the steam out. Walnuts with my mother's chopper, and I've made a little dressing here. So the dressing is made of 1 cup of white cooking wine, a little bit of olive oil, a teaspoon of mustard, a few shakes of cayenne pepper, a bunch of salt, and a little bit of pepper. So I'm about ready to put everything together. So I've got the butternut squash and onions are cooling down. I got my dressing, I've got my walnuts, I've got 2 cups of quinoa and then 2 cups of chicken breast in there. And then I'm going to put salad greens in this. The butternut squash and the onion are out of the oven after 40 minutes at 375, and they're looking delish. So I'll wait for them to cool down and then we'll assemble the salad. I've added my lettuce, spring mix. I'm going to throw in my walnuts, my half a cup of walnuts, and put in my butternut squash. And I have clean hands, for those of you wondering. If I'd have had a bigger bowl, I'd have used it, but this will work. And it's going to be really good. These salad thongs are from Ethiopia. A friend of mine brought them back from me in 1998. I don't know about your kitchen, but my kitchen is full of memories. So, honey, I want to know what you think of this.
Fall salad with fall colors. Let's see.
Alright, let's try it.
Looks like there's some couscous.
It's quinoa.
Quinoa, yeah, quinoa.
Mm. You're not a huge fan of big salads.
I don't like this though. It's good. Very good. Yeah, I think I can get through this. Got a trivia question for you.
Really?
Yeah. Name the last president to win the election without winning Ohio and Florida. It's been a while.
So it's election season. We still don't have a president. Today is Thursday, November 6th. No, Friday, November 6th.
There's some chicken in here too, isn't there?
There is chicken.
Yeah, it's good.
I don't know. Give me the answer, honey.
My favorite president, probably.
Roosevelt?
They're close. No.
Kennedy.
John F. Kennedy.
Oh, yay, I got something right.
Another close election, the last one to win without winning Ohio and Florida.